I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that damn bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. We'll retell that the content of the video is. But first, I want to explain that while we were working on this task, we used the help of an AI application called Transcriptor, where we listened to the sound first. Once it was sufficient, we checked the result of our work using the Transcriptor application to check the result of our work. This application helps us better understand what the content of the radio is, because previously we listened manually and there was still a lot of vocabulary that we didn't understand. Okay, let's start to retell. Johnny, a fire and rescue service boat manager and practicing psychotherapist, had not experienced anxiety or desperation symptoms until they suddenly emerged in 2013, catching him off guard in the middle of the night. This onset led him to realize that he had been neglecting or bravely enduring various stressors before. The treatment of pure anxiety is typically not handled by psychiatrists instead. It's commonly addressed in primary care or by psychologists and psychotherapists. However, within the field of psychiatry, most conditions treated often encompass anxiety as a component. The text discusses various forms of anxiety, including generalized anxiety disorder, where anxiety exists without specific triggers, panic disorder characterized by certain intense episodes of disabling anxiety, specific phobias related to particular object or situation like spider or flying, and social phobias or social anxiety linked to fear of being under social scrutiny. The passage discusses the familiarity of various mental health challenges in the human experience, highlighting anxiety as a common condition. Anxiety, a fundamental emotion rooted in fear, differs from fear itself as it extends into anticipation of future events. It touches up on the distinction between being a worried by disposition and experiencing anxiety as a disorder, impacting daily life and responsibilities. The author aims to explore the nature of anxiety, its impact, anxiety's understanding and treatment approach. The person described was a courageous and effective firefighter in a prominent position at one of the UK base stations. Despite his outward success, he began experiencing panic attacks, initially mistaking them for heart attacks. He kept these episodes hidden, driving himself to the hospital numerous times, convinced of a psychical ailment. It was until a doctor diagnosed him with anxiety and panic attack that they understood what was happening. This revelation was a turning point, even though it came with the fear of being labeled and judged. The fear of judgment haunted him, especially in his line of work, where he worried about being unable to save someone during an emergency due to a panic attack.
The next conclusion from the described experience of being stuck in a love with someone experiencing both a panic attack and a heart attack while simultaneously dealing with personal panic. It's evident that the situation was incredibly challenging. The feelings described during panic attacks, such as the rapid heartbeat, a rush of adrenaline, a tingling sensation, and physical manifestation like this muscles and weakness illustrate the intensity of the experience. In reflection, while the medication seemed to lessen the severity of physical symptoms, the underlying anxiety remained present. The analogy of lowering the volume on music portrays how the medications reduce the intensity but did not eliminate the anxiety entirely. This suggests that while there might have been some relief and the core issue persisted, the involvement with a mental health charity might provide periodic sessions focusing on acceptance and commitment therapy or ACT. Although this approach was not viewed as a comprehensive solution for long-term well-being, it did serve as an introduction to examining personal behaviors, thoughts, and emotions in a structured way. This therapy method, known as cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT, introspection by visually mapping thoughts, behaviors, and emotions, offering a deeper understanding of
The mismatch between our evolutionary past and modern life can contribute to anxiety. While the modern world is safer in many ways, it lacks the social connection and familiar surrounding of our ancestors. This can lead to uncertainty, distress, and anxiety. Early childhood experience also play a role in shaping anxiety levels. Secure attachment to parents help prepare us for adult relationship, while negative experience can make us more prone to anxiety. Fortunately, there are effective treatments available, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, but access to this treatment can be a challenge. While Johnny found success with therapy and medication, he also emphasized the importance of personal coping mechanics. He learned to accept and tolerate his anxiety, understanding that fighting it only empowers it. Two techniques he used are self-compassion and humor. By, by acknowledging his anxiety and accepting it as a normal experience, he takes away its power. Humorously, Carter stopped dissing his worries, helped to ground him in reality, and break the circle of anxiety. Johnny's story offers a message of hope and connection. He reminds us that anxiety is a shared struggle, and by accepting it and seeking help, we can find ways to manage it and live fulfilled life. Millions of people are facing similar challenges, and we are not alone in this battle. Thank you.